Hola y bienvenidas to the introduction to Hispanic culture, history and language. On this course, we are going to be looking at the Hispanic world. So, the first thing we need to find out is what exactly do we mean by the Hispanic world? Well, let's take a look, shall we? What's the first country you think of when you think of Spanish? Probably this one. Spain. España. España is obviously the first country where Spanish was spoken and where Hispanic culture started. But as well as España, there are other Spanish-speaking regions. I wonder if you can tell me which ones they are. Okay, well, probably the most famous after Spain is this region here, América del Sur. But notice not all of América del Sur speaks Spanish. I wonder if anybody knows which language they speak in Brazil. That's right, Portuguese. So what's the next major Spanish-speaking area in the world? Well, it's this area. Let's have a look, and we'll cover this as well. So, here we have América Central. That's América Central. Then we have El Caribe. Then we have Mexico. Mexico is another of the most famous Spanish-speaking countries. Now, I wonder if you can tell me another Spanish-speaking country, well, a country where there are 40 million Spanish speakers, and it's in the area we've just been looking at. Well, it's Los Estados Unidos. That's right. In Los Estados Unidos, there are 40 million speakers of Spanish. And what not many people know is there is actually one other Spanish-speaking country in the world which isn't in Europe, which isn't in Europa, and which isn't in America. And it's a country I actually lived in myself, and it's over here in Africa, and it's called Guinea Equatorial. So, those are the major Spanish-speaking areas. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get rid of these lines here. Okay, and let's see if we can. Let's see if we can identify the countries in América del Sur. So what I want you to do now is spend 5 minutes and see if you can identify the Spanish-speaking countries in América del Sur. We'll come back in 5 minutos.